What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I'm Expedition Mike, and today we are here in the Great Smoky Mountains
National Park.
National Park. And we're going to be doing a couple hikes here. It's going to be about a 2-day adventure. It's going to be a 2-day video. I'm not going to make it separate parts. I'm just going to record it all. So however long it is, that's what we're going to be going with. But for now, we're about to hop onto the Rainbow Falls Trail. We just got into this one little loop in the park. We're gonna hike that. We already saw a bear. I didn't get to get it because the GoPro was out.
You just ran
and it ran across the road. So, oh well, next time. Alright guys, we are heading back downhill now. We didn't make it all the way to the waterfall. Not sure if we're even on the right trail really. We didn't get a trail map and we didn't get to download the trail on all trails. So we're not sure if the waterfall is even on this trail, but we walked for about 2 hours now and it's supposed to only be a 3-mile trail. We haven't hit a waterfall. We hit that little patch right there and we're just gonna turn around because it's 3 o'clock. We don't have any food in us or anything, so we're heading back down. Happy Halloween! Woo! And he's a scarecrow!
Once that's full and you're carrying it all day long, that's a lot. You know, that's part of it, and you're wearing all this stuff.
Alright, we are back here for day number 2 in the Smoky Mountains, and we just stopped at the Sugarlands Visitor Center. They had a little museum, and we looked at a map to see where we're going to be going to the Clingmans Dome. So that's where we're going to be going next. It's a little bit of a drive. This is our final day here in the Smokies. Yes. And then we're going to be going to Clingmans Dome and heading out to the Pisgah National Forest. Woo! So we're going to be just driving over there, and we're going to head there now. Clingmans Dome, here we come. All right, we made it to Clingmans Dome. Clingmans Dome, whatever it is. Yeah, and we're not gonna see anything. Literally one of the cloudiest days out here. Dang it. It's all right. We'll still enjoy it while we can. Nothing but wind and clouds. Here's the view. Beautiful, huh? Crazy.
Worth it.
So worth it? No, it is pretty cool though. but definitely be nicer if it was clear. Unfortunately, it's not. That's what we could have seen. Woo! The Appalachian Trail that way. We're gonna hike it back this way. Just a little ways. This is crazy. Well, unfortunately, it wasn't the best view up there. It was a very cloudy day, and it's kind of just like raining and, I don't know, misty out. But it was still pretty cool to be here. We were on part of the Appalachian Trail. That was awesome. We are going to be doing that sometime, but not next year and not this year. We don't really know when, but we will be doing the Appalachian Trail, at least a part of it. Now we are about to head out of the Smokies, and we are going to head to Pisgah National Forest. So unfortunately, wasn't the most exciting video today. But it was still a video, so I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, hit the like button, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button as well, and I will be seeing you all in the next video. Oh, remember, stay level. Peace!